outside the very famous Farsha Cafe. I heard that single men are not allowed, maybe even single people in general, so I'm gonna see if they let me in, but it's crazy crowded in here. Look at this. I have a question actually. Are single people allowed to come in by themselves?
Men no, women yes.
Ah, okay, so we don't even need to try this then. That is the answer. Single men are not allowed to come in by themselves.
Yes, exactly.
You need to find a friend.
The place is for couples and mixed group.
From Sharm Sheikh again. So I'm outside the very famous Farsha Cafe, where I'm going to try to go in by myself, and my husband's going to try to go in by himself, because I heard that single men are not allowed, maybe even single people in general, so I'm going to see if they let me in, but it's crazy crowded in here. Look at this. Oh, again? I know, yes. They've seen my video.
Welcome to Farsha.
Shukran جدا. اسمك ايه؟
Omar, nice to meet you. I'm sorry for what happened.
Oh, please, man. No. Come on. Like,
you famous, very
it's just that one video, though.
You are one person? You came today alone?
لا أنا جوزي هناك بس.
If you one person, I will ask the supervisor to let you go.
Oh, thank you. It's two people, me and my husband.
Let's try to make exception for you.
Good. Oh my God. But I need to try. It's very crowded.
Come inside.
I have a question actually. Are single people allowed to come in by themselves?
Men no, women yes.
Ah, okay, so we don't even need to try this then. That is the answer. Single men are not allowed to come in by themselves.
Yes, exactly.
You need to find a friend.
The place is for couples and mixed group.
Okay.
And families.
Okay.
Also allow kids inside this area to go downstairs. The minimum age is 16 years old.
Oh, really?
We also have a beach with reservation from the Instagram account.
I had no idea. Okay.
Farsha Mountain Lounge.
Tamam.
Let me give you a little gift and then...
Thank you so much. Yeah, let's go. I have to message my husband then. The plan was to go in and film for 5 minutes. Tamam. Shukran. All right. Nice. Oh, shukran. I'm getting a photo. All right. I'm in a newspaper. This is what they do if they take your photo, I guess. Wait, I gotta... Nice. So this is cool. VIP treatment. All right, my husband's here, and then yeah, we're gonna go in and film. Yalla bina. All right, here we go. Oh my God, what is this madness? What is this madness? So I wanted to come early to get like before the lights turn on. I missed the sunset, but on the way here the sunset was really amazing. This music though. This music's gonna get me copyrighted, dude. It's like some Khaligi music. Okay, these steps are extremely narrow.
Where is?
I don't know where we should sit. I feel like something at the bottom would probably be the best view, but I don't know. Let's keep moving. I try to go downstairs. I don't really know how anything works here. Okay, I guess we're getting told we can't go downstairs. Section, and then we got the party section over here. So I guess we can't get a table till like 6 p.m. so we're just gonna hang out for a while. And once I find a place to sit down, I'll turn the camera back on. But this is a first glance at the place. Bro, this is madness. Crazy, dude. I guess the lights are gonna turn on soon. Everyone's about ready. It's crazy loud in here though, huh?
Let me tell you a little about my country. Egypt. We live in North Africa. 96% of us live next to and around the Nile River because it has very fertile soil. We have a large part of our land in Asia, so our country is considered an Afro-Asian country. Our brothers' neighbors are Libyans, Sudanese, Palestinians, and the Red and Mediterranean Sea. We have one of the greatest civilizations in the world. We are the oldest country and the owners of the first and oldest army system in the world. We are who made calendar and divided it into 12 months. We are the first to use makeup, especially eyeliner. You can see it in our statues easily. And our most popular symbol, we use it in Egyptian art to representing life. Means the key of life. Our country is mentioned in all monotheistic religions. There is no difference between Muslims and Christians, and always throughout history and ages, you will see us act as defenders of our land. We have a lot of Egyptians. We are proud of them in all fields. Like Magdi Yaqub, the best surgeon in the world, was honored by Queen Elizabeth. We have our culture, our beautiful traditional clothes, and a lot of art in all its forms. We have delicious and famous foods. We will have the largest museum of antiquities in the whole world. We are friendly people and have no hate against anyone.
Oh, imagine a land, it's a faraway place where the caravan camels roam, where you wander among every culture and tongue. It's chaotic, but hey, it's home. When the wind's from the east and the sun's from the west and the sand in the glass is right, come on down, stop on by, hop a car and fly to another Arabian night. And the fabled bazaars with the cardamom cluttered stalls. You can smell every spice while you haggle the price of the silks and the satin shawls. Oh, the music that plays as you move through a maze in the haze of your pure delight. You are caught in a dance, you are lost in the trance of another Arabian night. Arabian nights, like Arabian days. More often than not, are hotter than hot in a lot of good ways. Arabian nights, like Arabian dreams. This mystical land of magic and sand is more than it seems. There's a road that may lead you to good or to great through the power of your wish and command. Let the darkness unfold or find fortunes untold. Well, your destiny lies in your hands.
One leader here, one who's gonna fly far within the diamond in the rough.
Arabian excite, take off and take flight to shock and amaze. Arabian nights, neath Arabian moons. A fool off his guard could fall and fall hard out there on the
Wow. That's the event at Farsha. And I'd say it happens around 6:20, something like that. Crazy. Alright guys, I'm getting out of here. It is crowded. It's something I had to film, something I had to see, but I don't feel the need to hang out here, so I'm going up. والله. شكرا جدا. Yeah. The music is great though. I'm loving the music. Oh, hello. So yeah, it's obviously a very cool cafe, very famous cafe. But too many people. I'm getting out of here. You need to come early to like get in. A lot of people are stuck outside waiting. And I think it's like this always. I swear these steps are so small. Tiny feet. It's reminding me of Peru. And I climbed up Huayna Picchu. The steps are so small. I gotta work out more. Smoke less. I will say, once the lights come on, the vibe is better though, because when I first came in, the music was just blasting. But once the lights come on, it was a nice little show, and then it's just kind of chill. So yeah, it would be a cool cafe to hang out at with a group of friends or something. But anyways, okay guys, so that's Farsha Cafe. I didn't look at a menu, but there you have it. It is very beautiful. And some of this music, not all of it, but once the lights came on and right before, I'm probably copyrighted. All right, on to the next thing.